Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tyler again, here with the Ryan's Tactical. I wanted to give you another gun review. This is my carry gun. It's a Generation 4 Glock 19. Go ahead and do the old safety check here. Empty chamber, stick the finger in, nothing in there. Alright. Well, my magazines are loaded. This is my carry gun, but I wasn't going to unload them just for the sake of the video. But this is the Glock 19. Got the Surefire XC1. It's a very nice light. 200 lumen. It's a pretty bright light. It's got momentary only switches here on the side. There's one here on this side, and there's another here on this side. And it's also got the constant on right here. It's a good light. It's expensive. Costs about $260 retail, but it's worth it. It's compact. Fits really nice for concealed carry. This gun has the Zev Technologies Fulcrum trigger, and it's just the trigger shoe and the trigger bar. I didn't want to change any of the internals, seeing as how it's my carry gun. So all my internals are stock, besides the trigger shoe and the trigger bar. All the internals have been polished. It's got the stock connector. Everything is stock, just how it came from the factory, besides the trigger. See, stock recoil spring, stock barrel. Put it back together here. This gun also has the Zev Technologies fiber optic front and the blacked out rear, which I really love these sights. I have them on all my Glocks. They work really good for me. I've also done the double undercut on the trigger guard. I do all the work myself. The stippling I did myself. Get you a shot at that. Still kept the Glock logo. I left this smooth, the way it doesn't rub your hand. And underneath here, I kept this smooth as well. But that just helps you get higher up on the bore. This cut here. So that'll allow you to get higher on the bore, and then this cut is for your support hand. So it gives you a lot better control over your firearm, a little more recoil management. See, I polished the pins, but other than that, it's just a stock Glock 19. I carry this one every single day. And I'll show you the holster that I'm using. It's the G-Code. It's the Incog Shadow XC1, so it will fit the weapons light. And it's got the mag caddy on the side. It's a 2-clip, so it fits right in your pant line. And it's got this kind of, they call it tactical fuzz. It's kind of like a felt. Really soft, feels good against your skin. Really nice holster, G-Code holster. You can adjust the retention on your magazine. I keep mine not real loose. You can also adjust the retention on your pistol. I keep it tight enough to where nothing's going to fall out, but where I can draw pretty easily. But yeah, here's another look at it. There's the light. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more. Catch you guys next time.